Now, who said that grooming your pet has to be hard? This is the cordless Fabuletta vacuum, and it has a soft brush. And one day instead of brushing Sniper over here, say hi, I took the soft brush and started vacuuming. And I want to show you how easy this is. I want to share this with you guys, some of the things that we do, and how he loves it. And again, look, if this is something that you have a lab, you know that they shed, they scratch themselves a lot, they have a lot of allergies, and sometimes it's the food. But every once in a while, he develops allergies, he loves to scratch, and he leaves hairs everywhere. But we keep the house clean with this. Let me show you. Up, up, come on, up, good boy. Yeah. So that's actually how I groom Sniper. Sniper loves it, that's why he stays clean, stay groomed. So hey Sniper, say hi, bye to everybody, give me a paw. And guys, if you're interested in something like this, I'm gonna put the link on when we found it, and you guys go ahead and get it. It's fairly expensive. It's a great vacuum for the house as well. I'll see you soon.